everyone, I'm Sam from the Aragon Growth Guild. Today I'll be showing you how to make optional security and feature updates to your DAO on the Aragon app. From your DAO homepage, you can see that Aragon OS X updates are available. So I'm going to click View Updates. And then I can see which updates I can make to my DAO's contracts. So this is one update, it's the latest one, and there are a couple release notes and details on it. And if you want more information, you can open up View Release Notes here to go into the GitHub. This update is for the token voting plugin. So my DAO uses token voting, which means that it uses a plugin on Aragon OS X to enable that. And in order to make this token voting plugin update happen, you need to prepare the plugin. So there's a two-step process for this update. This one, you can just go ahead and make it. And you can see that there are checkboxes here, so you can remove the update if you don't want to make it. Remove them here, just choose one, for example. But I'm going to go ahead and do both. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare that plugin. You just have to sign a transaction. And then wait for that confirmation. Now I can move ahead with the updates. So click Next. Now to make the update, you need to initiate a vote. Your DAO members need to approve the update by voting yes in order for the update to go through. No one can unilaterally make updates. So I'm going to do the start time as now. 1 day, but I can move this up and down if I want. Okay, click Next. Now you can review the proposal. It's automatically generated for you with all of the details. The update, people can click on these release notes so that they can have a more informed decision when they vote. And then you can see the actions that will occur if the proposal passes and the actions are executed. So you can dive into those, and then I'm just going to click Publish. Now just pay a gas fee. Okay, confirm. All right, the transaction has gone through. You can open the proposal. And then I can cast my vote because I am also a member of this DAO. This is how the proposal looks. You can see that the updates have been verified, and I can move forward with my vote. So I'm going to cast a vote. Going to go with yes, submit your vote. Okay, vote now. Confirm. Okay, my vote went through, and I can see the breakdown. So this is my personal DAO, so I have 100% of the vote. So that means that I can execute this proposal. So I'm going to click Execute Now, execute, confirm. Okay, now I can open my proposal, and I can see that all of the actions have been executed. So if I want, I can see that transaction on the Block Explorer. And now my DAO is fully up to date.